Hi friends, in this video, I'll give you a review of the 6 best running shoes. And before exploring the shopping links in the description below, please watch the entire video. Let's get started. FitVille Men's StrideCore Running Shoes. FitVille StrideCore created an unheard of level of comfort that completely changed our perception of running shoes. The FitVille StrideCore excels in breathability and shock absorption. The ideal trainer for walking, running, or any other exercise activity is FitVille StrideCore, which features a light and breathable knit upper with a shock-absorbing pad for maximum comfort. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and keep supporting. Next, FitVille Women's FlowCore Running Shoes V2. FitVille Women's FlowCore Running Shoes V2 are expertly crafted and podiatrist approved to relieve a variety of foot issues, so you may enjoy the delight of painless road running. The seamless, breathable knit material of these sneakers gently envelops your feet for a comfortable fit, and they have a large toe box. For individuals looking for a broad shoe that stays securely on the heel, the roomy forefoot gently tapers below the bunion area, ensuring a secure fit. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shopping. Next, FitVille Men's FreshCore Running Shoes. FitVille FreshCore Running Shoes, which draw inspiration from the Fibonacci sequence, enhance comfort and style with every step. Consists of the plotting grid patterns, mesh fabric, and the F logo treatment combined, depicting a singular piece of art with definition, symmetry, order, and proportion. Your foot is protected by a knit upper that is flexible and breathable, providing an ideal fit. The tongue is lightly padded and the midsole is cushioned, adding to the overall comfort. This is the running shoe that will make you enjoy your run all the way through. Next, FitVille Women's Breathable Lightweight Mesh Running Sneakers. The lightweight design of our running shoes won't make you feel heavy or impair your performance. Without any additional weight slowing you down, you can concentrate on running. The lightweight mesh material used to make the upper of our sneakers breathes freely, keeping your feet dry and cool, ensuring your comfort and rejuvenation while you run. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shopping. Next, FitVille Men's JetCore Running Shoes V1. Are you prepared to advance your active way of living? Enter the JetCore Running Shoes V1, which come in 3 stylish colors: navy blue, foggy gray, and classic black. These shoes are made to be the ideal traveling companions for you as you pursue exceptional comfort, style, and performance. Imagine experiencing the excitement of each step you take. With their EVA foam rebound midsole and PVC outsole, these shoes offer the perfect balance of responsive support and lightweight agility, so you can easily reach your exercise goals. Next, FitVille Men's ArchPower FlyWave Running Shoes. An all-new lightweight running shoe for all distances, the FitVille ArchPower FlyWave features an extra-wide toe box to support feet that swell after long runs or from foot conditions like diabetes. Your feet are softly hugged by the soft lycra inner lining, which has a seamless interior to reduce friction between your feet and the shoe. The interior remains odorless, cool, and dry thanks to the breathable knit top and Ortholite insole, which also drives heat and moisture out. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shopping. Thanks for watching.